Hey guys, it's your girl Deja, also known as Deja Vu. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. Today's video is going to be a glossy lids look. This is my first time attempting this look, so I hope you guys enjoy it and learn with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every single time I post another amazing video. Don't forget to watch and share my previous videos with your friends, your family, catch your dog. I know that you'll share those videos with everybody you love. So your girl Deja Vu could be popping. If you guys want to see how this look is going to turn out, continue watching. This is not going to be a talking video. This is just going to be a looking and bopping to the music video. So yeah, stay tuned. Watch me do this amazing look. I love y'all so much, and yeah, keep watching. First of all, I just want to take the time out to acknowledge my eyes. That is my natural eye color. It's so beautiful and popping. Wow, I know you guys are shook at home because I'm shook looking at the screen while editing. And also the gloss that I used for my lids was a regular typical beauty supply gloss, but yeah. Hey guys, so this is definitely a new look. Like, I've never did a gotta be careful. Okay, so I've never did a gloss look before, as y'all can see, and I wanted to try it out to see how you do it and, you know, how it will look. I see a lot of YouTubers do it, or a lot of different people do like the gloss effect, especially for photo shoots and stuff. So I wanted to try it out on myself and see what it look like. And this is how it's looking. It was really, really simple actually. All you do is put a lip gloss on your eyelids. And yeah, why am I out of breath? And I just came from the next room. But yeah, this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm sorry I haven't been talking in my videos. It's just whatever. I don't know. It's just a lot of people around and a lot of different things playing. So I can't really talk throughout the videos like I normally do. But I hope you guys have been enjoying the content. I love y'all so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. So I'm notified every single time I post another amazing video. Don't forget to watch and share my previous videos with your friends, your family, catch your dog, and another share these videos with everybody you love. So your girl DVEJU VU could be popping. I love y'all so much. Leave me a comment in the description. Leave me a comment below telling me how y'all like this look, how y'all like my previous videos and future videos that I want to see. Check the description box because all the products will be in the description box. And also, there's cool things in the description box that y'all do not want to miss out on. So check out the description box. I love y'all so much. Me and Jasmine are out. We will see y'all next time. Bye.